Gnowbe makes it incredibly easy to embed other applications into a Gnowbe program so that people don't have to click outside of the program and you can keep everything in one place. I'll go through a few examples and then I'll show you how to do it. So here is what it looks like to embed a Kahoot game. So as you see, the window just shows up right here within the Gnowbe program, and they can click around within it, answer questions, etc. Here's an example of a Google Doc. If you embed a Google Doc, they can just type right here inside the doc. They don't even have to open it in a new window. You can add things like Padlet that allow you to do little post-it notes. They can just click and add their note. And it will show up, so you can have collaborative ways here for them to interact. You can embed Goole Maps so they can click around locations, explore different places all around the world. You can embed things like timers. Little games. And so a lot of the way that you embed other elements into your programs really just comes to creativity, because most other applications on the internet allow you to embed them. This is an example of embedding a Nearpod lesson. You can do little math manipulative things. So Loom video, Google Slides, Google Forms. You can click on it right within here. And so those are just a few ideas to get you started. So when you're adding these elements, it's really as simple as just using the web link tab. And then most of these things will just give you a link. So for example, Kahoot, I simply just copy the URL at the top, and then just paste it right there in the content, and it automatically embeds it. Now that's the way most of these things will work. Here, Padlet, I just copy this URL, paste it, it will work. Timer, after I set the timer, you'll see right here at the bottom of this is the URL for the 5 minutes, because you can pick on a lot of these free things, you know, as you pick how long you want it to be and stuff like that, it will give you a URL, so you can copy that one. This game here, what I did for this, because I didn't want the whole window, I just wanted the game, so I just clicked on this and did open frame in new window, and then copied this URL, and that just kept it just to this game itself, and post it. For Nearpod, when you have your lesson, I just copied this link and pasted that link, and it worked. For a little, virtual manipulatives, just when you click on it, just copied this link at the top, pasted it, and that would work. So for most things, it's just copying a link. With something like Google Slides, just go to share, and then again, copy the link. So most things the same with the form, it's just the link here. So almost all things will work with just the link. Now I'll show you a couple things that might not work. So every once in a while, you'll put the link and it won't show up. And in that case, there's a slight workaround. So for example, a Loom video, when you post the link, it doesn't pop up. So in those cases, you can check and see if they give you an embed code. So for Loom, when I go to embed here, I copy the embed code. Then what you'll want to do is come and paste that code like in a Word document or something, and look for the URL and just copy that URL. So you'll notice this one has the word embed in the URL, which is what will allow it to show up within the window. So I copied this link and then posted that in, and that worked. The same with Google Maps. So here, when I first just took this URL, it did not work. So I went here to the three dots, share or embed image, embed a map, copied this, pasted that over here, and then copied this URL. And that's how it worked. And so that is how you can embed other applications into a Gnowbe program. And really you can be creative. It might take a little trial and error depending on what site you're trying to embed it into your program, but usually it's just as easy, again, one more time, as going to add a new action, web link, and just pasting the link right there.